everyone, so I decided to vlog today because I'm heading to the Irish Beauty Show and I just thought it would be a nice vlog, and also I haven't vlogged in a while, so that's why. I'm just making sure nobody's watching me doing this because they would really think I'm a weirdo. But yeah, I'm going to head on the Luas now, then meet up with my friend and we'll see what we get up to. Also, the weather is so nice. It was supposed to rain this morning, but it's not. It's so nice. Spring might be finally here. Or not. I hope I didn't jinx it. It's not gonna like pour down rain now.
So yeah, if you're not that disciplined or friends
Reminds cycling in them and everything. So we just got here and I'm with Kira. I'm gonna leave her YouTube channel here somewhere. Oh, aren't you absolutely fab? We got here, we weren't sure where to get off, so there's actually another bus stop like right there. Yeah, so we kind of got off a bit far, but whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna go in here. Kira has some problems with her tickets, but we'll see. It's so annoying. I never got my confirmation email, so we have to sort out the tickets, so please stay for. Yeah, although when you see this, everything in it, yeah, got everything, so. I feel like my hand's really shaky because I'm a bit nervous. I always get nervous about these things. Yeah, but it's like an exciting nervousness kind of thing. Is it this way, yeah? Yeah, it's up here and to the right. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna... Oh, there's people coming in and they're gonna judge me for vlogging, so I'm just gonna go now and I'll see you when I'm there. Oh look, there's the little leaflet thing. Oh, it looks nice. Cool. I want that sofa. Where? That sofa. That little chair thing. So nice. So it is now the next day and excuse my face, but I'm having a no makeup day. I've actually had so many no makeup days in the last while because I've been off for Easter from college, so I've just been not wearing any makeup. So this has been me. I'm aware that I didn't film a lot like at the beauty show. I was literally just walking around and we were buying stuff, and then I was kind of like doing stuff on my phone and putting it up on Instagram. So I basically didn't vlog very much for you and I'm really sorry, but I had a really nice time. There were so many brands there and so many brands that I love and yeah, that I wanted to try and everything. So I actually said last night that I was going to put the things that I bought, I was going to haul them on the Insta stories, but I figured that I could put it with this vlog and then it would be a little bit longer, a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to show you what I bought. It's just a couple of things and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I have here is something from Be Perfect Cosmetics. They have a tan, like a spray tan kind of thing that I wanted to try for ages. Kira is always raving about it, and as you might know, I don't usually wear tan that often, but I still wanted to give it a go and see what it is like for myself. So this is a bag with some stuff in it, and this was actually €30, so the whole bag with all the things inside. So the first thing in here is the Be Perfect Velvet Tanning Mitt. It's like a two-sided mitt, so that's cool. And then I got the actual tan, so it's the 10-second tan and I got mine in medium coconut, so I'm really excited to give it a go. It's a really nice colour. I'm aware that it's applied really weird. Like my fingers are white and yeah, look at this. I was wearing a long sleeve and I literally just pulled up like my sleeves and the lady like put it on for me. But she didn't do a very good job. So like, look at this line. It's really bad. So I need to go and scrub it in the shower today. But yeah, I'm excited to apply it by myself and maybe do a little bit better of a job. Then the bag also came with a Be Perfect eyeliner and lip liner pencil. And this is a black one. And then it came with the Be Prepared Conceal and Highlight, and it's like a concealer. Kira said it's really, really good, so I'm excited to give it a go. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging because it's like one of these pens that you have to like keep twisting and the product comes out the top. But I'll let you know how I get on with it. I'm going to try it, I don't know, next week or something. But yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with that. Next, I got one thing from Sosu, and what I got was the Hot Fire 12 Eyeshadows Signature Smoky Palette. I don't actually own anything from Sosu. This might be like a really unpopular opinion, but yeah, I just didn't ever feel the need to pick anything up. Whilst I was at the beauty show, I wanted to pick up the highlight palette, but then I was like, Marta, you have so many highlight palettes and highlighters that I'm not sure if I needed another one. But I'm really excited about this because I love eyeshadows and they look really, really nice on the inside. I'm actually going to show you. And there was like a deal that 2 palettes were for €40, so €20 each. So I got this for €20, and I believe they're like 25 in shops. I'm not totally sure. Here we go. So it comes in like a sleeve, and then this is what it looks like. Woohoo! So these are the shades. I'm gonna just take this off so you can see a little bit better. And that's what they look like. They're so pretty, and they're literally the shades that I would go for. So there's some like oranges and reds and browns. It's literally like all my favorite shades in one. So I'm really excited to give them a go. They're super pigmented from what I swatched at the event. So I'm excited. I might do a makeup look using this palette soon. So look out for that, I guess. I then got a couple of bits from Benefit. I had to get something from them, obviously. The first thing I picked up was a mini Bad Gal Bang mascara. I haven't tried this when it came out and I really wanted to give it a go. So I decided to just get the mini and see how I get on with that. And then I also stocked up on the Gimme Brow Plus. I haven't tried Gimme Brow Plus before. I just tried Gimme Brow. I'm not sure what the difference is between them. But I'm excited to give it a go and see. Oh no, I just realized I got it in shade 1. Oh no. And I'm shade 3. Oh no. What do I do? What do I do? Right, I'll figure out what to do with it later on. And then, when I was checking out, Katie from Benefit put a little bit more things in here. So, I got the little Ready Set Brow, which I love. I have a couple of these in my drawers. And then the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which I also really like, and I also have. And there's like, these are like minis. And then this cute little mirror, which is so cute. This is what it looks like. And it says, laughter is the best cosmetic. And then, whoa. You open it like this. It's a really good mirror. And then you can stand it up like that. Perfect for travel. So yeah, those are the bits. I'm now going to go and figure out how I could change this for another shade. Then I got one thing from Jenny Glow, which I haven't heard of before, and they're like a perfume company, or they do perfumes, I'm not really sure. And this is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt perfume. They do like perfumes that look like Joe Malone ones. Like, people compare them to Joe Malone. I picked this up. It smells really, really good. Like, I picked another one up and I didn't really like it, but I picked this one up and I was like, oh my god, yes. So it smells really nice and I'm excited to start using that. And then the last thing is the Irish Beauty Show goodie bag, because we were VIPs at the thing. So it's really exciting. There wasn't much at all in here. It's just the Irish Beauty like magazine, and then there was some leaflets, the like map, and a pen, and some crisps, which are already in my drawer down there. But yeah, that's basically everything that I got, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it anyway, even though it was super short. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to get notified whenever I upload, please hit that bell button, because apparently subscribing to a channel isn't enough right now. Like, so you have to press, I can't talk. You have to press bell buttons as well. So do that if you want to, or not, whatever. And I will see you all in my next video.